Alright, this is just going to be a quick snippet. It'll be the start of a video, so pretty much all I'm going to really do is I got some Tupperware, don't tell the wife. I'm going to fill it up with oil and then let the lifters and the timing chain soak in oil. So that way when I go around to, I get around to doing that, it'll be, they'll be all good to go. So whether that's the right thing to do or not, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to soak the lifters, and I'm not too sure about the time chain. I know I was reading up on like installing it in the Haynes manual, and it says that you're supposed to put oil on them, so I'm just gonna let it soak in oil. I'm sure that should be better. I don't think it's really gonna matter because the motor's gonna sit for a while anyhow, so it's not like it makes a big difference, I don't think, but it's a thought that counts. So let's get this filled up with oil and get the chain and stuff in there. Alright, well, I got the timing chain. I'm probably going to wait on the lifters. I just don't want them sitting out, I guess. Don't want them getting exposed to freaking shit getting in them or anything like that. So I'll just wait till I know when I'm actually going to be putting them in, because it's still going to be a while. So let's get this open and we'll put it in. Alright. Just put the chain in there. Chain in there. I was gonna put my like a new 5-cord thing, but I found this thing. This has got like some little bit, maybe like a cord in there. Damn, like just enough. But yeah, so I guess just let this soak, so that way it's good and oiled. So we'll get this done, and then pretty sure in this video it should be me disassembling the timing and hopefully maybe get all this timing stuff done. But only time will tell. I can't really predict the future. This is just the start of one, so. But alright, I'll see you in the next snippet. Alright, well, where you got? That was a blast, lifting that fucking thing up there. It's a little heavier with all that just that little bit extra shit. But, so, that's on there. Now all we gotta do is pull a harmonic balancer and just kind of pull it all off. Hopefully I should be able to keep a water pump on there. Yeah, pretty much just pull that off and then get ready to put it on that block. So let's do that. Alright, we got it off. And then because I had this extra one, I really need to contemplate whether I feel like swapping this over. I just don't think I have a gasket for the water pump, so that's why I'm really not wanting to. Because I really don't want to take that one off. But I mean, I can probably clean this one up. It doesn't really matter. My engine's black. This is grease black, so you know what's the difference. It's going to leak oil anyhow. But yeah, I used all these old I put all the screws in their respective locations so I don't have to worry about them getting messed up. So yeah, that's awesome. But now, and then this cam turns super fucking easy. And if I come over here, this one's, it's a little bit more difficult, but I think that should be fine because this has no like assembly lube. It's just, and it's worn. So this has been using oil, so it's just covered in oil right now. This has the assembly lube on there, which I proved made a big difference using that cam there. So I'm not worried about that. But now we got to do the timing, and then put the timing cover back on, and then we should be good. And so yeah, let's just keep going here. Hopefully that will be good. I'm pretty sure I have this plug right here that has to go in back here. It's really fucking dark, you can't really see. Let's see here. Yeah, you can barely see it, but it's a plug that gotta go in there. But I think you're supposed to, I have to reuse it. It came out of that block. So I'm pretty sure I can just use some sort of RTV of some sort. Put that in there. Or just drive it in. So that's another thing we still got to do. And once that's done, then I would put the heads on. But I think this one doesn't have the alignment dowels. And I do believe one of my heads has them stuck in it. So we'll have to pull the heads and we'll find out. But I don't think that'll be in this video anyhow. The main thing is going to be getting this timing done. Oh, that felt real good to the knee. Nothing like knee in a block. But, so yeah, let's get this done. Alright, well, we got this done, and timing, so that, like this dot, just line up with the dot down on there, so it'll be a straight shot up. From what I've heard, it's pretty hard to not time it, but, you know, I probably fucked it up. And as for that thing, I think it just bolts on. I didn't really see no difference. But I might have to look into that a little bit more. Then we got this. We are going to use this one. I just put in the new seal, as you watched, with some super ghetto ways. But hey, it's in there. Hopefully it don't leak. Trying to think what else. Oh yeah, because we're going to use the new one, or the really clean one, because the timing gasket set did come with a new water pump one sitting over there. So that's awesome. So I'm going to do some quick research on that, make sure that's all good, and then I'm going to put a super thin layer of RTV on both sides of this gasket, and then we'll put it on, and then we'll snug it up, leave it be for overnight, and then I'll retorque it, or I'll torque it down, and yeah, or I might just torque it all the way down. Who knows? We'll send it. But alright, let's continue on. Alright, I'm going to accept defeat on this one. I can't get this fucking thing off. Just not going to worry about it unless I can't find it, or if I can't get it. Otherwise, I think I have another one down in here. I think there's another one right there. So worst case scenario, I'll pull that one out, see if I can get that one off. I know I had one of them off, and I think it's that one. Because I actually think I already pulled the water pump off of that one. So, But yeah, I'll have to dig around in there. And then I have to, well, I'm not sure yet because I'm going to be doing a different setup than what I did have. Because I'm going to be, I had the alternator up here, and now I'm going to have it down there. Because when I put in that, when I welded in that thing, I don't know how close it'll be. So I just might as well relocate it, just so that way I don't have to worry about it at all. So yeah, I need to get a new crank positioning sensor. Gotta get a new, fuck man, I tried remembering that too last time. I can't remember what the fuck it's called. Need a new, where is it? Right there. Need a new one of those. I can't think of the fucking word right now for whatever reason. So I need a new one of those, crank positioning sensor. I'll look into a water pump. I have the piece for here. But yeah, then that's all done. Doesn't use any of these bolts because they're I don't have that thing. Is it supposed to? Yeah, it does look like I'm supposed to have them in there. I have to see if I can find some bolts that'll fit in here. So that way that shouldn't leak because it's at the top. But I didn't have them on there before because I don't know, I just didn't have them on there because the old motor mount in the Grand Am used to mount right there, and I don't need that. So yeah. And I think that's it. Yeah. So we managed to get the timing done. And got the timing crap back on there. So now it's starting to look more and more like a motor. And so yeah. So next thing is going to be, I got to probably get all these little things that I need here. And heads can go on next after I get the alignment dowels. And so yeah, we're going to be waiting on alignment dowels and then those things to finish up all this stuff. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling on and freaking just talked a lot for no fucking reason. So, alright, that's going to be it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.